हे गाइस व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे सीए इंटरमीडिएट और सीए फाइनल के स्टूडेंट से, जो कि इस समय बहुत ज़्यादा चिंतित हैं रिगार्डिंग द सिचुएशन। एग्जामिनेशंस उनके आने वाले हैं। देयर एग्जाम्स आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जुलाई 5। और इस चिंता की घड़ी में, इस परेशानी की घड़ी में, इस तकलीफ की घड़ी में, आई थिंक दैट इट इज़, आई कंसिडर इट एज माई ड्यूटी एज एन एजुकेटर, एज अ ट्रेनर, एज अ mentor. I consider it as my duty to share some, information, some guidelines, some guidance that I feel ये टोटली प्योरली मेरी इंफॉर्मेशन, मेरी समझ और मेरी नॉलेज के ऊपर बेस्ड है। जो भी इस वीडियो में मैं इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा, एंड इट इज टोटली अप टू द स्टूडेंट्स वेदर दे want to take it or they want to acknowledge it or they want to ignore it. It is totally up to you. You are free citizens of a free country. Okay, but I feel as my responsibility to interact with you, and especially with those students who are really very upset in this point of time. Okay, तो उसके ऊपर मैं कुछ बात इस वीडियो में करना चाहता हूँ। नाउ बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो, जो लोग भी अभी तक ये बात सुन करके कि ये मेरी पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, मैं अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन और अवेलेबल नॉलेज उसके हिसाब से आप लोगों को गाइड करूंगा, इतना सुनने के बाद जो लोग मेरे साथ इस वीडियो में चलना चाहते हैं, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि आप इस वीडियो में मेरे साथ अंत तक बने रहें। वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड एंड विद एन ओपन माइंड। यहाँ पे हम कुछ बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे। थोड़ा वीडियो लंबा हो सकता है, तो अगर आप अभी तक मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप अंत तक इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें एंड पूरा सुने जो भी मैं बातचीत आपसे करना चाहता हूँ, विद एन ओपन माइंड। ओके, नॉट विद अ प्री जुडिशियल माइंड और ऐसा कुछ सोच करके, प्री कंसीव नोशन के साथ नहीं, एकदम खुले दिमाग से इस वीडियो को देखें। साथ ही मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि बिकॉज मेकिंग दीज वीडियोज एनालिसिस, okay, collecting data, understanding stuff from various areas, and then conceptualizing it takes a lot of time and effort. So I would feel great if you share this work with your friends, if you like the video, and if you comment in the comments box below your opinion, your views. I would love to hear that. Right, चलिए। अब सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा जो है, द कंफ्यूजन ओवर जुलाई 5, that is the examinations are going to begin from July 5th. Okay, now there was a recently RVG जो है मुंबई में, राइट, वहाँ पे एक वेबिनार उन्होंने कंडक्ट करी और उसमें हमारे आईसीआई के प्रेसिडेंट सर वहाँ पे मौजूद थे उस वेबिनार के थ्रू, एंड दे हैव आस्क्ड हिम सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस रिलेटिंग टू एग्जामिनेशंस। और ये कल ही कंडक्ट हुई थी जो वेबिनार है। तो एकदम लेटेस्ट आईसीआई प्रेसिडेंट से जो भी निकल करके आ रही है बातचीत, उसको हम सबसे पहले सुनते हैं इस वीडियो में, देन वी विल मूव अहेड। राइट, तो 2 क्लिप्स हैं, आई विल एक एक करके मैं प्ले करूंगा एंड उन्हें हम ध्यान से सुनेंगे, एंड देन वील मूव फॉरवर्ड विद आवर डिस्कशन। राइट, ध्यान से सुनिएगा।
Another very important area about which you may be eager to know is conduct of exams in July. You would have noticed that yesterday we had to postpone the exams of foundation from 24th June to 24th July. And a number of parents, number of students called up and said that why you are continuing with inter and final exams on 5th July itself. And let me mention that at the institute, it is not that we want to do exams as a formality, but we want to conduct exam for the reason that particularly the students who are in final, their careers cannot wait for a very indefinite long time, and it has to commence as soon as possible. Particularly, all these students are preparing for more than last 4 months, and if we keep on postponing exam for a long time, it would be very difficult for them to hold on to their spirit and sincerity. Now, not that I would say that on 5th July, the situation will be very conducive, but we are expecting that the way the number of COVID cases are falling, the daily cases, probably by the end of June, all states will open up and there will be conducive situation to conduct exam. And I may assure the students that suppose the situation is not conducive, then institute will not conduct exam at the risk of your life and health. If we are required to forcibly postpone, we may have to do that. But if situation is conducive, and you have observed as witnesses how best we conducted exams in November 2020, although there were number of apprehensions, but we doubled the number of centers, we observed social distancing, we appointed 3 observers per center instead of 1 to see that students maintain social distance. Enough sanitization was done, and the students had no complaint after November 20 and January 21 exams were over. So if exams are conducted, rest assured, we will take care of social distancing, sanitization, and everything that is required to see that students are not affected by COVID. But at the same time, again, we will wait till the end of the month. We'll see how governments do it. And if conditions don't improve, which is not in your hands, doctor's hands, in anybody's hands, in that case, if we have to postpone, we are prepared for that. Coming to other initiatives, like particularly in today's scenario, the institute is focusing its attention on sustainability.
You mentioned about the holding of the examination in the first week of July and the last week of July, and you would be assessing the situation based on the scenario of the pandemic. But what is the cutoff that, if it goes beyond, then you will merge both the attempts, May and November? Is there thought like this, or still you are contemplating to?
See, as far as possible, institute would not like to merge 2 exams for several reasons. Like number one, if it goes to November, again for a student who is fully prepared, it is a loss of 6 months. Secondly, once you merge the exams, our number today is 3 lakh students in all. For every level, that is foundation, inter, and final, about a lakh students are appearing. Now, if we merge, the number will be so big that again it would require much extra efforts to manage the exam. See, if there is no option, corona doesn't come within control, and if suppose lockdowns don't open, then institute has no option. But as far as possible, suppose in June and we get a feeling that it is a matter of 15 days and things will be in control, we would like to have it even in August, so that November exam can be held in December. But at least students have 2 exams at their disposal to appear. And again, you will appreciate that at CA level, every student would like to see that he has 2 chances in the year. Once you merge, in the entire year, there is only 1 exam. And with the uncertainty that you have in passing, every student would like to have at least 2 examination cycles.
Hereby, there is one very good question, and I'm.
So this was the view that was being put by the ICAI president, sir. अब यहाँ पे कुछ बातें जो मैं आप लोगों से करना चाहता हूँ, और नवंबर एग्जाम्स के बारे में भी उन्होंने कुछ बात कही। इस वीडियो में मैं नवंबर वाले स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट उनके लिए केवल एक छोटा सा मैसेज मैं देना चाहता हूँ कि बेटा, आप लोग अपनी तैयारी नवंबर के शेड्यूल को दिमाग में रख करके करिए। दैट्स इट, एंड दिस इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई वांट टू से फॉर यू गाइज जो नवंबर की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, कि आप अपनी तैयारी नवंबर को दिमाग में रख करके करिए। दैट्स इट। नवंबर वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी। अगर आपको फिर भी वीडियो पूरा सुनना है तो आप जुड़े रह सकते हैं, बट जो मेरी मेन बातचीत है वो मई 2021 वाले स्टूडेंट से है जिनके एग्जाम्स को पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया था, और अभी जुलाई 5 उनके लिए डेट दी गई है। शेड्यूल भी आ गया है, कल आप लोगों ने सबने देख लिया है, वो सारी चीजें हैं। नाउ एक एक करके पॉइंटर्स बताऊंगा, मैं डिस्कस करूंगा, बातचीत करूंगा, एंड इट इज अ फ्री एडवाइस। आपको लेना है तो लो, वरना जाने दो। ओके, you have 100% full right as a free citizen of this free country to criticize me, to not to agree with me on any of the pointers that are stated in this video. So this is, I am making it very very clear, okay? क्योंकि किसी को अच्छा लग सकता है, किसी को नहीं लग सकता, किसी को बहुत अच्छा लग सकता है, किसी को बहुत बुरा लग सकता है. So I'm not at all concerned with what you feel about it. This is what is my analysis and I want to share it with my students. And those who want to listen are welcome to listen the entire thing. Now, from this video that we have seen, it is quite clear that exams will be conducted in July if the conditions are conducive. They are still watching over it. And if not in July, then maybe in August. They are very well prepared for the conduct of examination. So there is the preparedness as far as the institute side is concerned. It is complete, it is full and fledged, right? Next thing that I want to tell you guys is that go for vaccination as it becomes available in your state, whether it is paid, it is free, whatever. Please make sure that if you are willing to go for the examination cycle that is being conducted from 5th July or maybe in August or whenever, even in November, please vaccinate yourself. Okay, right. Then third point, governments are least concerned. This is the point, this is the important point that I want to make. This is the point I want to stress, that the governments have failed miserably and they are least concerned about the health and well-being of the citizens. I have to say this, okay? अब आप कहेंगे कि सर आप किसी के अगेंस्ट हैं, किसी पार्टी के अगेंस्ट है, किसी पार्टी के साथ में. देखिए ऐसी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आप इसको समझिए, हम एक पोजीशन से बात करते हैं जब भी हम गवर्नमेंट से बात करते हैं. दे मे बी हैविंग देयर ओन पर्सनल आइडियोलॉजीज, दे मे बी हैविंग देयर ओन पार्टी आइडियोलॉजीज एंड ऑल दैट, बट दैट इज अ डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑल टुगेदर. राइट नाउ as a citizen of India, what we can see, we can analyze these things. The condition pan India is not at all satisfactory, whether we talk about vaccination, we talk about the drugs, various injections that are there, okay, that are needed for new infections like black fungus, the unlock procedures that are being followed, what all is happening, okay. There are still farmers protest continuing, okay. यहाँ वहाँ से न्यूज़ आती रहती है, कहीं पे कोई जलसा हो गया, कहीं पे कोई महोत्सव हो गया, कहीं से भीड़ आ गई, okay. I'm not targeting any community, I'm not being community specific, but it is there pan India, in all it is there, it is pervasive, it is there, okay. And we have to understand the government's role in it, okay. I feel personally is that ICI is still acting in the right direction and they are waiting for things to settle down, okay. एक बार आप empathize करिए थोड़ा सा उनकी situation में जाकर के. They are doing their best what they can in every situation to make things simple for the students for the conduct of examinations. That's it, okay. They are, you know, they have some parameters. They are not in the control of ICI. Try to understand, okay. They are just a body to conduct the examinations and they are making every point, they are making every effort. So I don't feel that ICI की तरफ से कहीं कोई कमी लग रही है, ठीक है. अब ICI को वैक्सीनेशन के लिए बोलना चाहिए, करवाना चाहिए, they would have been saying, but the entire country is, you know, there's a dearth of vaccination, there's a dearth of vaccines all over the country. So how ICI can specifically get vaccines for its students? So this is a bigger question, right? Then some parameters, as I've already told, that they are out of the control of the institute, as they are a body, they are just regulators, they are a body to control the examinations and they know it very well, okay. So they are working on the areas they have under their control, they are very well prepared on it. So be rest assured that if exams are conducted, they will be held in the best, you know, interest of all these students out there, best interest. Now as students, it becomes really very important to focus on your studies. This has been told by all the mentors across the spectrum to you guys कि भैया पढ़ाई तो करते रहिए and be prepared for the examinations and also understand your responsibility as a citizen of this country, okay. If you shout and yell that ICI should not do this and that, should do this and that, should cancel the exams, postpone the exams, kindly empathize their situation for a second and you will understand their limitations. You will understand, definitely you will understand. You are educated. अगर आप अभी तक यहाँ तक बने हुए हैं मेरे वीडियो में, आपको चीजें समझ में आती हैं सर, राइट. If you are adamant कि एग्जाम्स तो होने चाहिए, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा है कि सर एग्जाम लो, आप, हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, and you are prepared, and if the conditions pan India they are not conducive for exams and किसी कारण से एग्जाम्स को पोस्टपोन करना पड़ जाता है, तो ब्लेम गेम खेलने से अच्छा है कि हम एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन की तरह अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को समझ करके we help in the containment of coronavirus, in the containment of the disease by not spreading it. If you are being asked by the government not to go out, be a responsible citizen not to go out, but you can ask questions from the government. That is your right. Okay, you are being responsible by following the government directives. You are wearing a mask, you are using social distancing, you are doing all that is required, you are staying at home when there is lockdown. Then you are also, you have the right to ask the right questions from the government. Now you have to understand your dharma as a student. What is your dharma? Your dharma is to learning. Your dharma is learning and learning. And the objective of any learning I should say, is to make students mature enough to understand the changes and give them the confidence to answer different situations that come up in their lives. If still इन सब चीजों के बाद भी, इतना पढ़ने के बाद आप लोग सीए का कोर्स कर रहे हैं, सीए फाइनल में आप लोग हैं, यू अंडरस्टैंड द इकोनॉमी सो वेल, राइट, इतना समझने के बाद भी still our students are not sensible enough to understand this, the situation our country is facing, okay, then I think there is a bigger failure of our entire education system and we need a social reform movement pan India to correct this, right? I don't think I think that somebody comes up and proves me wrong that this is not there, okay. I also feel that sporadically it is there, that at some areas the students are literally, they are reluctant to understand anything. They are so adamant they do not understand. And I think that somewhere or the other our systems are, they are failing at various positions, they are failing at various ends. So this is the bigger question that you have to analyze and think. Now I think that our governments have failed this, as I have been repeatedly telling you this, and there is no competent opposition in our country to ask the right questions. This is very, very true. There is no competent opposition to ask the right questions from the right people. Government worked well. We appreciate the government of the day. We appreciate them for the oxygen supply they have maintained. They have done a very good job in that. They have put early lockdown last year. Okay, that was also a commendable job they have done. They have prepared themselves. They started preparing, but today when the second wave was there, हमने क्या देखा कि आपके सारे preparations खोखले थे सर. Administrative level पे there was a complete failure and it miserably failed, and there is no debate being going on in the, there is lack of intellectual discourse in the country, I must say, okay. और जो prime time news है वो बिल्कुल इस चीज को कवर नहीं कर रही है. There is no debate being done on compulsory licensing of drugs, okay. हमने इतना black marketing देख लिया रेमडेसिविर का, different injections का, right, anti-clonal antibodies का इतना ब्लैक मार्केटिंग हुआ. अभी जो ड्रग है ब्लैक फंगस के लिए, दैट इज नॉट अवेलेबल. नंबर्स आर इंक्रीजिंग लाइक एनीथिंग, ओके. नो डिबेट ऑन कंपल्सरी लाइसेंसिंग इज देयर. I don't understand the government's stand on diplomatic ties relating to vaccination and other drugs. They are saying that they are negotiating this and that. I don't understand this policy of the government, okay. I fail to understand. If somebody understands it, I welcome you to make me understand that what exactly the government is thinking and why they are not invoking compulsory licensing, section 92, section number 100 of the Patents Act. I don't understand, okay. Because for me what is paramount is national interest and everything else comes under it, okay. Next, there is no control over the pricing of vaccination, no discourse over vaccination budget for current fiscal year. They announced it, that was 35,000 crores. No control over arbitrary pricing and billing by private hospitals, because the public health infrastructure is not adequate at all and it lacks public trust because it is not adequate. The systems are not good, okay, the facilities are not there. No roadmap of the government for the status of education in our country. No, they have simply cancelled the examinations. What is going to happen if the third wave comes next year? What is going to happen? No roadmap, no clarity, and there are countless such questions that need to be asked from the government of the day. I'm sorry to say, but we get a new RT portal, okay, for collecting taxes. We conducted elections amidst the pandemic. We made mumkin everything that has government interest, and it clearly shows governments lacks interest in providing social security and development of a welfare state in the present scenario. That is what I feel. I'm sorry, but this is the harsh reality of our country that we are living in, okay, and we have to question it as informed citizens of this country. Now the crux of the entire discussion that we have done, as students, because you have understood the video, you are watching it and you are watching it on video. Okay, you understand what I say. You are very lucky. And if you are very lucky, I would urge all of you to learn to make informed choices in your life. Okay. And always be prepared for the worst case scenario. You have already seen this, right? And learn to ask the right questions and become tolerant. You have to be tolerant. You have to listen. You have to understand. You have to ask the right questions and learn to accept. This is very, very, very important. And even in your life, whenever there is a result, you have to accept it. Learn to accept. And if you're not able to accept it, change your decisions. Okay, do what you think right. If you're not able to accept what is happening, change your decisions and do what you think right. Follow your dharma and always understand one thing, that your karma is very, very important, and that should be your dharma somewhere or the other. Karma is very important. Okay, love your country and society and develop in ways, you have to develop yourself in ways that you can contribute for the betterment of the nation at large. That is what I have to say to all my students, because you are the future of this country, this nation. Okay, and when we talk about India becoming a aspiring superpower nation, okay, right now we are aspiring superpower nation, right? So I see you as the future of this country. I hope that you guys develop yourself in ways that will be that you will be contributing for the betterment of the society and the nation at large. And don't forget that guys, you are so awesome. आप लोग बहुत खूबसूरत लोग हैं सर, और अगर आपने वीडियो अभी तक देखा है, राइट, आप समझते हैं चीज़ों को, आपके अंदर वो पोटेंशियल है दैट यू कैन डू समथिंग रियली वेरी ग्रेट फॉर योरसेल्फ, फॉर योर सोसाइटी, फॉर योर फैमिली and the nation at large. Thank you for watching. Please do share this word with your friends. Thank you. Have an awesome day. Enjoy.